My name's Andrew Wilkin. I'm a recruiter for Waste Connections, recruiting out of wyotech, because wyotech is the best trade school in the country and wyotech's producing the best diesel techs for the future.
I just graduated from wyotech. I've been here since October. It's been a great time, but I'm glad that I'm starting a new chapter.
To get an education in 9 months, that was the big one, and to be done, in and out.
If you decide to go that route, you've got a job waiting for you.
Before getting the offer, I would never thought about going to a trash company, but I'm kind of excited, really.
I'll get to work on a bunch of different pieces of equipment and pickup trucks and trash trucks, and it'll be a great experience because I'll be able to be well versed.
On its face, it's maybe not the most enticing industry to get into. However, what I tell everybody is it's probably the most stable industry that you could get yourself into. What I tell these students is if you're interested in heavy equipment, something that has a lot of hydraulic components, our trucks feature that. There's a lot of good employers here, so the competition's steep, but we feel good about what we have to offer.
They reached out to me and gave me my job offer a couple weeks ago, along with their specific wyotech program that they have.
I feel truly like we do have the best full compensation package as far as the scholarship goes. In addition to culture, safety environment, career growth opportunities, things like student loan reimbursement, sign-on bonus tool allowance, relocation for people who are potentially moving across the country.
I mean, it's nationwide, so pretty much wherever you want to live, they might have an opening.
So I found out they had a location in McCall, Idaho, which I was really interested in. And so at that point, that's when I signed on.
You look at us 10 years ago, there was about 6,000, maybe 7,000 employees. Today, we're approaching 24,000 employees. Every year, acquisitions are happening, and you continue to see the growth across the country and in Canada as well. No trouble finding work, that's for sure.